What's happening, everybody? Happy release day. Coming back at you with a 2020 Topps Stadium Club box break. Let's rip into it and see what we get. I did get my hands on these a little early. I posted a preview video yesterday. It was a pretty solid box. The autographs weren't too good, but parallels were good, and the box topper was good, so can't complain. All right, let's see what our box toppers on release day. Hope you guys are able to get your hands on some of this and open it up today. We got a Victor Robles. These are really big. These are bigger than the normal. It does say oversized box loader, so they're pretty big. I don't know exactly what the measurement is, but I'm gonna need some kind of case for these. But they're nice. All right. Probably go a little faster than yesterday, because we were taking our first look at them yesterday. Koufax batting, very cool. Ooh, I saw something good at the end of this pack we're gonna like that we didn't get yesterday. Eloy. Oh, there's the base Jordan. Nice. And looky, looky. There he is. I'm gonna put that one in a sleeve real quick. And that's a good start. Second pack in. Haven't seen that card yet either, so cool. That was a good pack with Jordan and Lubab. Ladito. Oh, there's that Cal Ripken card from the night he broke Gehrig's record. I like that. Buster Posey. Red. Oops, sorry about that. Dustin May. Now see, I think I got a... That looks different than the one I got yesterday, so... One of them might be a short print. I'll have to take a look. Interesting. Savala, he's having a good year. John Means. And Otani. The bullpen cart. I didn't know teams still had bullpen carts. Bryce Harper. Ooh. So I got the Chrome Refractor yesterday of Ortiz, which is 1 in 64 packs. So that was actually, I didn't know it was a refractor at the time. I just thought it was a Chrome. So that was a good pull. Bubba Starling, Schwarber, Griffey, Gallen, I'm still messing around with the camera, trying to find best angle, best light. I don't think I've found it yet, but I like that Devers. That's cool. Yu Chang. Home run, Austin Riley. Cool. Ooh, what's this? INSTAVISION. Bryce Harper. Didn't get one of those yesterday. That's some kind of insert. Cool. Touch and Urshela. No autos yet, so we got those coming. Domingo Leyba. Logan Webb. There's Bo. Oh, that's awesome. That is a nice card. I like that one a lot. Judge, fist bump, boom. Josh Van Meter. Auto, not too good. Will Clark, look at that. Noise, Johnny Bench, LeMahieu, red, Robinson Cano, don't you know? And look at that. That's some hair right there. Holy crap. Tommy Edman. Babe. Cool. Barry Zedowitz. Awesome. Photography's just top notch. Grandal. Brandon Woodruff, Hicks, Miggy, Frank Grisham. Having a good year. Five packs left. Very cool, Nolan Ryan. Randy Johnson, chrome. On a fire truck. Cool. Obviously after they won the World Series in 2001. And there's the auto behind it. Justin Dunn. So didn't hit any good autos, but got the Robert. That's nice. I was hoping for that, and I hadn't seen that card yet. So David Wright. Brousseau's having a good rookie season. Garrett Cole, Thorpe, Dietrich, Eduardo. Ernie Banks throwing. Cool, you don't see that very often. With the Luckies taste better add in the background. All right, last two packs. Mookie. I wonder if that's his card or some kind of short print. That's pretty sick. I like that. Yamaguchi, Dozier. And last pack. What colors? DeGrom. Shipper. In the wings, Soroka. Tatis in the wings. Marvel and Puig. Yasiel Puig, the guy with no team. Maybe next year. All right, and here's just a few of the hits. Mookie. Don Otto. Big Bo. Josh Van Meter auto. Dustin May. And Jordan. And of course, Mr. Robert. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Hope you get your hands on some. Happy collecting, everyone. Cheers.